How to solve two-step equations. We're going to start with a basic two-step equation. There it is. We'll subtract that 8 from both sides of the equation to start, and we'll always get a new equation after that step. Now to isolate that x, we need to divide by 2, the number that is on the variable, every single time. And we will have solved for x. Here we got x equals 3, so we're going to check that, substituting that 3 in for x. And we find that 14 does equal 14. That's a true statement. We know that 3 is the correct answer. Let's look at another one. Here we have 3x plus 7. We're going to subtract that 7 first from both sides. As always, get a new equation. In this case, we'll divide by 3. And we will have solved for x. When we do that division, we get x equals 7. When we run our check, substitute 7 in for x. 21 plus 7 does equal 28. And we know that that is the correct answer. Now we're going to do one that looks a little bit different. The variable's over on the other side of the equal sign. Still works the same. Have to isolate that x. Here we'll add 7 to both sides. We'll eliminate that number first, and then divide by 5. This time we will have gotten x equals 3, or 3 equals x. Same exact thing, of course. Substitute that 3 in to check. Negative 7 plus 15 does equal 8. And I need you to see that it does not matter which side of the equation the variable is on. The process is exactly the same thing. Okay, again, the variable's on the right side of that equal sign, so we've got to get rid of that negative 5 or that minus 5 using the inverse operation. We'll divide by negative 2. Always divide by the exact same number that's on the variable. And here we get negative 7 for our answer. We'll run our check, substituting negative 7 in for x. Negative times negative is positive, so 14 minus 5 equals 9. Again, it just doesn't matter which side the variable starts on. The process is exactly the same. Okay, it's your turn. There's your equation. I want you to write that one down. Pause the video as needed. Solve it, and I'm going to show you the answer very shortly. If you got x equals 6, you got it right. If not, talk to me if you're in my class, or talk to your teacher in yours. Let's try another one. Same thing. Pause the video, solve it, and then the answer will be on the screen shortly. Here, if you got negative 3, you got it right. Couple more. Two simple steps. Isolate that x. The answer is coming now. Should have gotten 2 this time. And try this one. The variable's over on the other side. No big deal. Please pause and solve. And here comes the answer. This time you should have gotten 4. Again, if not, find someone to verify what you're doing wrong. If you did, good job. Let's do this again. Pause your video, please. And here comes our answer. This time you should have gotten negative 2. You need to master the skill. You can do it.